Remember that time you pulled an all-nighter, survived on coffee fumes, and swore you'd never do it again? Yeah, me too. Burnout, my friends, is no joke. It's that soul-crushing feeling when you're running on empty, fueled by stress and a serious lack of sleep. We've all been there, the endless to-do lists, the pressure cooker deadlines, the constant juggling act of life. It's enough to make even the most Zen master scream into a pillow. But here's the deal. You don't have to live in a perpetual state of friedness. You can reclaim your energy, your sanity, and your life. Think of it as a mental and physical detox from the daily grind. We're talking simple, actionable steps to help you hit the reset button and wave goodbye to burnout. Because let's face it, life's too short to spend it feeling like a burnt-out light bulb. You deserve to feel energized, engaged, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to dive into some seriously easy ways to kick burnout to the curb and reclaim your inner rock star. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get physical, people. No, I'm not talking about building a six-pack. Unless that's your thing, then go for it. I'm talking about the magic of moving your body to clear your mind. Exercise is like a magic elixir for stress and burnout. Even a quick 15-minute walk can work wonders. Think of it this way. When you move, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that are like natural mood boosters. Suddenly, that mountain of stress starts to feel more like a molehill. Plus, exercise helps you sleep better, and we all know a good night's sleep is crucial for feeling human again. So ditch the "I don't have time" excuses and find something, anything, that gets you moving. Go for a run, dance like nobody's watching, or crank up the tunes and have a living room dance party. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Okay, deep breaths, people, deep breaths. When was the last time you actually paid attention to your breath? Like, really paid attention? Mindfulness might sound like some new age mumbo-jumbo, but trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to battling burnout. It's all about being present in the moment and quieting that relentless inner chatter. And the best part? It's crazy simple. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. That's it. No need for fancy yoga pants or chanting. Unless that's your jam, then go for it. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can work wonders. Think of it as hitting the pause button on your racing thoughts. It's a chance to step off the hamster wheel of stress and just be. You'd be amazed at how much calmer and more centered you'll feel after just a few minutes of mindful breathing. Let's talk about boundaries, those invisible lines we draw to protect our time, energy, and sanity. Learning to say no is like a superpower in the fight against burnout. It's about prioritizing your well-being and refusing to let yourself be spread thin. Think of your time and energy as valuable resources. You wouldn't just give them away to anyone, would you? So why do we do it with our time and energy? It's time to get real about what matters most and start saying no to the rest. Remember, saying no to others often means saying yes to yourself. It's about creating space for the things that fill your cup, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or simply taking some much-needed downtime. So go ahead, set those boundaries and watch your stress levels plummet. Here's a newsflash. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. We're all guilty of it, pushing ourselves to the limit, burning the candle at both ends, and then wondering why we feel like a dumpster fire. Sustainable living, my friends, is where it's at. It's about finding a pace you can maintain without crashing and burning. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to run a marathon without training, right? So why do we treat our lives like we can just power through without taking breaks? It's time to ditch the hustle culture mentality and embrace a more balanced approach. Small changes can make a world of difference. Schedule in regular breaks throughout your day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Step away from your desk, go for a walk, or simply close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. So there you have it, folks. Beating burnout doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine and prioritizing your well-being. Remember, you deserve to feel energized, engaged, and excited about life. Now go forth and conquer your day. And remember, even superheroes need a break sometimes. So put on your oxygen mask first and watch as you soar to new heights.